What's that, Bjorn?
Pera for my birthday.
For your birthday?
Wow!
Oh, did you say thank you?
Yes.
Oh,
Di ba?
oh sabihin mo. Dali. Go, 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 go.
Mama, stay tuned.
Kiss mo si Mama Flor mo na, kiss. Go, 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 kiss. Oh, kiss, kiss, kiss.
Wow!
Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang yun. Dali.
Bago pa nga naman.
Dali, kiss mo kahit okay lang kahit mabaho. Dali. Teka.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, baby.
Ayun, sabay envelope din.
Yay! Bibili pa kami ng cake for Bjorny.
Yay! Ah.
Go, Daddy.
Dali mo.
Bye, my loves. Liliit
Ha,
na
dali,
kayo.
dali. Let's go. Dum, tudum, tudum. Dum, tudum, tudum. Hello, good morning. Another day, another vlog. So another day, hindi another day, another event tayo ngayon. So another day, another vlog. So ngayon, ihatid natin si birthday boy! Bjordy! Say hi!
Hi!
Hello! Say hello to my vlog! Bro! So yan guys, papunta na kami sa school ni Bjorn. And we'll be celebrating his birthday later sa school together with his classmates. Nag-face mask na po si Bjorn kasi malapit na siya sa school. To this kaleidoscope world. Let me tell you a little bit of the story. So noon kasi we have some pandemic time kasi ito na nabuo si Bjorn. So nung mga time na yun, so parang nangyari is si Wacy nung nasa hospital na, sa community hospital, nagkaroon na incident na hinapo siya. Nung nagpa-check up siya with the pulmo, with all of our doctors, cleared siya. Kaya lang it so happened na on the day of the operation ba, of the CS niya, bigla siya hinapo. So, nagkaroon kami ng problema na bumaba yung BP niya and everything. Ang daming mga parang naging hindi naman complications but naging problema during her delivery na at some point kailangan niya ng i-intubate. And alam niya ba yung nangyayari sa movies na sinasabi nila na papipiliin ka between your wife and your son or your daughter kung ano man yung gender ng anak niya. Totoo pala. Nangyayari pala sa tunay na buhay. And at some point then na delivery ni Wacy na sinabi rin ng doktor na she cannot save both. May ganun ding part during our struggles and during yung trial sa amin ni Lord. And alam niyo ba yung mga nakikita ko rin sa movies na nagwa-walling, aba totoo pala, in real life, nag-walling talaga ako doon. So, sobrang hirap ng pakiramdam na yun. I prayed and I prayed. Sabi ko, Lord, please, 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 wag naman po. Don't let this happen to me kasi sunod-sunod din po yung mga naging trials namin sa buhay. As in, talagang I cannot really imagine those things. And this is not the last trial that the Lord had given us. I can tell this to my next few videos kung ano pa yun. Para at least maging inspiration for all of us na it's not the end. Si Lord binibigyan lang tayo lagi ng trials. So, ayun, going back about Bjorn. So, nangyari naman doon, Bjorn and Wacy. I prayed. There's nothing I can do. Wala naman akong magagawa. It's really beyond my control. I've trusted all the doctors now with that. Yan guys, nasa loob na tayo ng garahe ngayon. So, going back to sa story ko kanina. So, again, I'm very thankful with the doctors, lahat na nag-save. Kay Bjorn at saka kay Wacy, thank you so much. Every year, I'm celebrating the victory of life sa pag-take care of nyo dun sa dalawa. Kasi there's a point during their journey na talagang nag-flatline na si Wacy. Tapos meron ding sinabi si Dr. Chiti na she cannot save both. But so happen na naroon din si Doc Alibagno. Naging kaibigan na rin namin siya. Sabi niya, we have to at least save one of them. And then, after that, nilabas nila si Bjorn. Parang wala pa atang 10 minutes, inilabas ka agad nila si Bjorn sa tiyan ni Wacy. Then, after that, in-intubate na kaagad si Wacy. Then, dinala sa ICU. I think, nagstay si Wacy sa ICU na mga around almost a week. So, at that point, pandemic, walang events. As in, almost zero balance kami. Sobrang struggles talaga. Pero mabait talaga si Lord. Mabait, sobrang bait. Lanayok ako. So, yan. Actually, kanina pa lang naiiyak na ako. Napanood ko kasi yung video na ginawa ko for Bjorn. Nung baby siya. Ayun. So, ayun. With the goodness of our Lord, merong mga taong tumutulong sa atin. Number one, syempre yung mga magulang namin, Mama Flor, Inay Presi, so hindi sila mamatao. All of our friends called me, sabi nila, di ba yan mo lang ang loob mo, kaya mo yan, sabi nila sa akin. All of them, Joseph, Marwin, even my friends in abroad, Ronald, si Jerwin, si Arian. Si Arian wala naman sa abroad. Nagiinom lang siya doon sa shop nila. So yun. Then right after that, nasa ACS Wacy, nasa Nico si Bjorn. Then nung nakita ko si Bjorn for the first time, binuksan na yung curtain. Grabe yung iniluha ko. Sobrang puti. Ang pogi, kamukhang kamukha ko. Grabe, sobra yan. Tapos mixed emotion of joy, sadness, kasi hindi ko alam mangyayari. And again, going back with the health, we are very thankful with our parents and our extended parents. Sina Tita Cecil, Tita May, Ninang Bising, Ninong Nato. Naalala ko si Ninong Nato. Dito ko siya. Pandemic noon, hindi pwedeng basta makapasok sa hospital. He really stayed sa labas ng hospital just to wait for his favorite pamangkin, si Wisi. In love pamangkin. Kasi he's very worried. So yun, I prayed doon sa chapel ng community. Sobrang grabe. Alam mo yung panalangin na lampas langit na. Yan yung ginawa ko. Then it happened after a week. Bumalik silang dalawa sa akin. Ang galing ni Lord. I'm filming this kasi I want to serve this as an inspiration to never give up. Never give up. No. Ako sa sobrang dami experiences ko in life, I think hindi nawala yung faith ko. Hindi nawala. As in, I never question. Siguro I question na, sabihin ko, why me? But then, at the end of the day, maisip ko na lang, yes, it's me because alam ni Lord na kaya ko. Hindi niya ibibigay ko, hindi ko kaya. Then yun, right after that, recovery time. Mahirap din yung recovery time kasi siyempre si CS, ang hirap mag CR, ang hirap even umihi. Tapos we're taking care of Bjorn. Pero si Bjorn kasi napakalakas eh. Napakabibo, napakagaling ni Bjorn. And yun, right after that, magaling din naman yung mga ate niya, nag-alaga. And of course, Winslet, her tita na nasa Canada na ngayon. Super thank you. Naiyak ka naman ako. Ako nagde-thank you. Kay Faye, kay Roseanne, thank you. You're really a family to us. Thank you so much. During our time of struggles, nandyan si Faye at saka si Rosa. Hindi sila umalis. Nasa journey rin sila namin ng pandemic. They never left our side. Thank you. Thank you so much. they treated my family as their own. Herx and Bjorn and Macy. Para talaga namin silang tunay na kapatid. Thank you so much. Ayun. Maybe I'm getting too emotional na. Pero at least, you know some of our story behind bakit ako ganito with Bjorn, why I'm working really hard for them. And that's only one of my trials in life. There are so many more. Before to, meron pa rin nangyari kay Herx. Siguro I can tell the story in my next video. So yun, it's time to be happy naman. And watch the whole video. Mamaya, birthday party naman ni Bjorn. Thank you so much.
Ano naman dyan? Hindi nalilit ang Francis. Bilis. Nagbibili pa tayong cake. Kuya!
Hello guys, so ngayon nandito na ulit tayo sa school ni Bjorn. So, pakainin and we'll celebrate his birthday dito sa Kaleidoscope. Bigyan namin ng mga loot bags and some foods yung mga classmates and friends niya. So, let's go! Ano, Bjorn? Oh, ano si Zach?
Happy birthday, Theo.
Video.
Hi, baby, hey daw.
Please heart and subscribe. Thank you guys.